CoSpaces Edu tutorial, how to use paths, by Alex. Tap the library button over here. Tap special in the bottom of the 3x3 square, right here. Drag the path up. Tap any of the 7 that aren't special or search. These ones are okay. I'm going to choose characters. Drag anything on here up. Tap the path. It's the one with arrows. Double tap in between the blue dots. Here, 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 and so on. If the cube thickens around one of the blue dots, then try to tap in between the blue dots again. Twice. Tap code. It's right here. Tap using code blocks. Right here. Double tap the other thing. Mine is right here, but yours might not be. Tap code. It's right here. Tap using code blocks. It's right here. Tap code. Not this or this, but this. Tap control. It's right here. Drag out forever. It looks like this. Tap transform. It's right here. Drag the 3rd block from the top into the forever. It looks like this. If this is your first path in this space, then tap the play button over here. If it isn't, then tap the double left arrow right here. If you tap the play button last step, then ignore this step. If you tap the double left arrow this step, then do this step. Look at these 2 boxes. If the first one says the thing that you want, that wasn't the path, and the second one says the thing that was the path, then you're good. But if any of them are wrong, then tap on it and then select the right one by just tapping on it. Then tap the play button right here. This is what happens when you tap play.
Wait, Zoe, where does this go?
Thanks for watching.